Hello guys, in this video I am going to talk about Java inner classes. Okay, so we need to understand why Java inner classes we have and what are the type of inner classes we have. Okay, so when you say inner class, the name itself says that one class within other class, which we call it as a inner class, right? One class which is inside other class, we call it as a inner class. Now why inner class is required? There are 3-4 benefits of inner class. When you have your inner class can access the private member of your outer class, which is not possible in the normal flow. In normal flow, one class cannot access the private member of other class, but yes, inner class can access the private member of your outer class. The second thing is code is optimized. Okay, you have optimized code. One class you will have, within one class you will have all the classes which is required for your project. Third is more readable code. So let's say you have a class which is confined to only particular class. So let's say you have a class A and the class A needs some data from class B, and that class B is used only by class A. Okay, in that case you can just write the inner class of class B in the class A, so that it will be confined to only class A. Okay, none of the other class will be able to call the class B, because the class B will be within class A. Okay, we'll try to understand more with the example. So for that I'll create one package here, inner class in Java. Okay, so let's say in inner class in Java, I'm going to create a class called inner class, right? The inner class, here I will write one private member, private int a is equal to, let's say, 90. This is one private member we have, and then I'm going to create an inner class called, let's say, class test. This is my inner class test. Okay, and sorry, this we should not write after the class parenthesis, class test, and inside that I will create a method called void display method, and this display method will have a print statement SYSO, and here you will print the value of a is plus a. Okay, so see everything inside the same class. Now this is your inner class body. Go outside the inner class, write a main method, and then how to access the member of inner class. For that, first we need to make the object of outer class. Okay, then what we have to do is we need to make the object of now inner class. For that you write outer class dot test is the inner class, and here you write obj1 is equal to obj dot the object of outer class obj dot new, and then you write test. That's how you have to write outer class dot inner class, then reference of inner class, then object of outer class new, and then object of inner class, and then we can write obj1 dot display. Okay, now this method will get called. Let's say if you have a multiple method, let's say display with int a overloaded method. Okay, then we can call obj1 dot display of 5, right? So here your output will be 90, because this will give preference to this private member, but here we have a. So when we are calling the method a in Java, always local variable have more preference. So here the output will be 5, because a will come here and this a will get mapped here, right? Because local variable has a more preference in the Java. If you run this, right click, run as Java application. See, the value of a is 90, the value of a is equal to 5. So that's how we design a inner classes, and that's how we can access the member of inner class, right? So we have 2 3 more types of inner classes, which one by one we will see in the next video. Thank you guys, thank you for watching this.